Fuengirola bus station. Okay, let's head down towards the beach. A little bit cloudy, Stella.
It is, yeah. Hopefully it'll burn off later on.
Yeah.
And we'll get the sun back.
Okay. We're actually heading down towards a place called the White Rose, which is they tend to have entertainment on Sunday, don't they? With live singers, this sort of thing. And we're meeting friends there, which is great. We've got some friends over from the UK, so it'll be great to see them again. And I dare say there'll be a couple of beers involved, Stella.
Of course.
Of course. So let's have a look. So we're going to go down to the beach from the bus station, down to the beach, and we're going to do a left. And to get to the White Rose, which has like live entertainment on Sundays, as I mentioned, you look for the 4 towers, the 4 sandy coloured towers, and they're almost opposite the KFC, or they're not too far away from the KFC. So I'll get some footage down there when we get to the White Rose, and maybe the sun will come out in the well, maybe not. Yeah, back up to the bus station and train station up there, and we're heading just down here through this car park towards the White Rose. In fact, you can just see the harbour over there with all the masts and so on. You might even be able to hear the parrots. We're about in the mid-30s today, and it's warm. This is a great boatyard, this. Boat repair and maintenance yard, of course. Okay, just arriving at the White Rose. Can't see our friends yet, so. Are they over there? Oh yeah, I see them. So we're going to get ourselves sat down. Oh, Abby's on, look, today. Live music. Oh, that's Friday, sorry. Saturday. Hello. These are our friends in the UK. Where's Lynn? And It's Sunday in September 2025. Things are just starting to busy up. Live entertainment on. I can't film that because of course music copyright strikes and so forth. So, anyway, it's going to be a good afternoon. For anybody coming here on holiday, just down there at the bottom on the right hand side, if you can find where we are now, which is not too far from the bus station, just down there on the right hand side is a fantastic fish and chip shop. Well worth a visit.